turn that light off right there. There you go. Actually, it's a little dark. Yeah, probably. You see what happens? Yeah, that's better right there.
It's awesome to rate.
That's what's up. What's going on, guys? So it's not a cat anything right now. I mean, the wind is blowing a little bit. I'm gonna show you. They're taking us on a tour. We're about from the actual beach. What, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
I mean, I guess it is a little breeze.
Make a left here. Get to it right after this little left, we already here. Okay. So you make that left right there. You just want to get like a little parking on the left side.
Like that gate right there?
Yeah, make a left here, right to these trees. You can make like a little parking right there. Oh, wait.
Do you want to put it
Oh, you could go. Oh, you could go inside too.
Oh, okay.
But it's dark. But you guys gonna be able to see it.
Okay.
What are we looking at? Just the
I'm gonna
ocean.
show you the water. You see that up there? That top, right there.
Yeah.
We could walk up there, and you're gonna see the water from.
Oh, cool.
Put this one on.
It is coming down. We're out in Puerto Rico right now, guys. It is beautiful here. You're looking at seals clouds right there. The storm is kind of circling around. So I'll show you where in the eye basically is going to come. Okay, I'm just showing my eye. Give me a second. I'm showing my eye right there because I can see it pretty clear. Right in the back right there. That right there is looking scary. Look at that. It looks like two big old giant ghosts. That's the eye right there. Yay, Stacey's back. Huh? What?
If that was the eye of the storm,
No, we're not the eye of the storm. What I'm saying, we're surrounded, and the eye is going to be right over us. As you can see, it's everywhere, all around us. So it's just kind of circling. Here we go. I can hear birds chirping. Beautiful birds all around us. So where these guys live is above the ocean. We're up on a little hill. Beautiful birds chirping. That's incredible, huh? Go ahead. Wow, the ocean's right there. But if you just take a moment, you can hear the frogs and the birds just chirping away. They will also be affected tonight or in the morning, first thing. The waves are picking up, the wind's picking up. It is absolutely beautiful here. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. If I had a better camera, you can actually see the waves are absolutely gorgeous, guys.
Yeah, I know.
So how far are we up? Do you think? 30, 40 feet? We're pretty high up. I mean, if the ocean's gonna rise, can you see that car down there? We are there's a car down there. You see the lights? See the lights down there, guys? We're totally, I mean, I appreciate you guys, man. When you said we were up high, I didn't know how high that was. And I mean, we're pretty good. We're pretty good. I mean, if the water rises 200 feet, we ain't good. But these guys down there on the beach right there with those lights on, if they didn't leave, that might be our first destination to go and hang out with them. If anybody is on that beach over there when that storm comes in tonight, we might be searching for them tomorrow. Wow. This is what I'm loving this down here though.
Well, wait till you see it in the morning, bro.
It's gonna be beautiful,
I
huh?
really appreciate it in the morning.
If we can get here, you say it's here by 10.
Yeah.
We want to be out.
Be here like by 8.
Yeah, we want to get up early and see the Cat 1 because it's gonna be at a 1-2 probably. We'll listen to it, but guys, so what's going on is tomorrow morning we're gonna wake up pretty early so that you can see every levels of the storm. I'm gonna bring it to you directly as if I was your weatherman for your #1 favorite weather station. The waves are coming in big time because we're up high, so this is cool. I didn't realize how great it would be. So tonight we'll put that out. Stacy, if you're listening, that we're gonna broadcast live in the morning if the storm hasn't hit. So if the storm comes in tonight, then we won't have that opportunity. But if not, then we will bring it to you early and let you check it out. Huh? Yeah. So if it's 8 o'clock for most of you, it'd be 5 a.m. But if you want to get a good view and see that storm come in, tune in tomorrow morning. It's absolutely amazing. Just the beauty of it, right? Harder?
They sound pretty upset, these waves. They sound pretty hard. The times that I got here, I never heard of that.
They're pretty though. Very pretty. Go Cougs, baby, go Cougs. So first thing in the morning, so 5 a.m. most of your time, that storm, the wind's coming, man. It's blowing. I would imagine this right here will be off tomorrow. This will be gone. All of this, when the storm hits, this,
yeah, I believe it should.
Yeah, this will be gone. This is something that we will definitely check back again. But this shelter, as we know it, will probably not be here, nor will this building right here. This building most likely will be taking off its state. Hopefully they have insurance. It's going bye-bye. I would have to think that anything that's aluminum like that is going to get torn open like a can. And here's the thing. These lights are already crooked a little bit. They'll probably be flat on their face. It's going to hit. I am sleepy. It is time to go to bed.
Yes, it is.
It's time to go to bed. Stay tuned tomorrow morning, guys. 5 a.m. Your time. I can hardly keep my eyes open. Back there, yay. Hey, Casey, what'd you say? Yeah. Yeah.